cool. So this hub here is bad, so I'm gonna throw this away. I'm gonna try to salvage as much as I can out of this wheel. Most likely I'll take the spokes and save this outer portion of the wheel. When it comes to the actual drive shaft, I'm totally getting rid of this because I don't want to ever use this again. All those hairline cracks when it comes down to the inside of it. Yep, it's pretty bad. So I was initially going to keep this as a spare. I don't even want this as a spare, especially the drive hub, and I'll get rid of it and move on from that. So removing the spokes was a breeze. It took me a second to get them all off. I definitely checked them out. A bunch of them were bent. I don't know if I'm gonna replace those. I do see a couple sets that come with the actual spokes, so I might have to get new spokes. The assembly for the hub. Finding the front and the rear hub, make sure you measure it. It took me a minute to measure it to do conversions from millimeters to inches. So as far as this wheel, the cheapest option would be to replace the hub. So that's going to be this hub here. I do have a drive shaft bolt, which is a complete assembly. I'll be able to put that together. I got 2 sets of brand new bearings. Definitely just grease these up. Put this together with the actual drive shaft bolt and the hub, creating the entire little hub assembly that's gonna go into the wheel. I got not a brand new, but I do have another flywheel or freewheel. It's not a cassette because you can't take this apart. So this is a freewheel. I'll be able to put that freewheel together, the bearings. Definitely all I have to do is replace this bearing cage here with 2 additional new bearings, bearing cage and everything, and one of these. But I'm not sure if I trust this wheel by itself, and I would have to get additional spokes. So just because it's a little bit more time consuming, but I'm pretty sure I can get this up and running. Just gonna take me a little bit of time, but I was looking at some Venzo tires, and I can get everything assembled, put together with fresh new mountain bike tires on there. And that's a pretty cool little option that I was looking at. But if I put some work in, a little bit more work into this, I got majority of the components. The spokes, I did put them away, but I would be able to use majority of the spokes, or I could just leave them for a future project, have all of this for spare parts, because I do ride the 26-inch wheel just because I'm not out there doing pro stuff, but I do have a couple of different wheels that I can definitely use this in case I do bend another wheel, and in case I do have spokes that are missing, in case I want to put a drive shaft or reuse this free wheel while I'm servicing a bike, or if I want to reuse these bearings, which are compatible with all the wheels and tires that I do have. And the only thing that I would have to just get rid of is these older parts here. So I am thinking about it, but I could be getting another brand new pair of complete wheels, different tires, everything, or just put this off to the side. Either or, I got options when it comes down to these, because I am constantly fixing stuff. Hopefully I'm not stacking up too much parts, but I do have quite a few of them. What would you guys do? Rebuild what you have and have a new spare wheel, or just hold off on it and reuse it as parts?